Okay, now we're going to move on to the kicking series of our tape for the Namido Jujitsu Kihan, the basics for your yellow belt. I'm going to have Matai go ahead and step into a Kubidachi with his hands up. And he's going to execute a Maigiri, which is the front kick. This kick is done in a 4-count series where the leg comes up to a stacking position, then it's extended out to its target. It's retracted back to the stacking position, and then it steps back down to where you're in your regular starting position with Kubidachi. So he's going to extend his knee by bringing it up, shoot it out, bring it back in and down. Right side knee up, push it out, bring it in, put it down. Do it a little bit slower, Ty. Push it out, hit with the ball of the foot. Begin with the right side, and he's going to push his hips forward on that kick. Now let's let him go full speed. He's going to snap it. Notice he snaps and he breathes as he kicks. Give me about 2 more, Ty. 1 and 2. All right. Now we'll move forward into the Yoko Geri, which is the side kick. The striking surface of the side kick is the blade of the foot. The way that you attain the blade of the foot is you push the heel forward, you pull the toes back, and you will be striking with the outer blade of your foot. Unlike the front kick where you strike with the ball of the foot by pulling the toes back. Okay, so it's the same principle, knee up, leg out, in and back down. He's going to bring it up and stack. He's going to push it out, bring it in, and back down. Once again, up, out, in, and down. Other side, up, out, in, and back down. Okay? Now he's going to give me 3 on each side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Count Japanese other side. Ich, ni, san. And you want to put a snap into it and when it extends. Same way when you punch. You want to relax and then extend and tighten everything you've got into the last inch before it makes its impact. Going now with the back kick, which is the Yushiro Geri. He's going to step out to a Kubidachi facing his right side. He's going to look over the left shoulder, and he's going to bring the knee up like a knee strike forward, pulling the toes back. He's going to lean forward and push his heel of the foot straight back, just like a mule kick. Ready? Up, out, in, and down. Other side, up, out, in, and down. Now we're going to do 3 on each side quickly. Up, boom. That's 1, 2, 3. Other side, Japanese. Ish, ni, san. All right, go to yours. Now we're going to step back out to our Kubidachi. Hands up. And we're going to do our roundhouse kick, which is the Mawashi Geri. The roundhouse kick is just what it means, round. You're making a circle. So you're going to pick your knee up high. You're going to point your knee to where you're kicking. You're going to turn the hips over and point the toes straight out because the striking surface of the kick is the instep of the foot. And he's going to do the same principle. Knee up, extend, bring it back, and then set it back down. So knee up, out, in, and down. Other side up, out, in, and down. I'm going to give him 3 on each side. Ready? Ich, ni, san. Other side. Ich, ni, san. Go to yours. Now, on these kicks, you need the flexibility first, but if you need to use a chair, table, wall, anything for your balance, so you can learn to stand erect, get the knee up high, make sure you get the stack, the extension, the retraction, and put it back down, and you want to make sure you're striking with the right part of the foot, and you want to try to hit at least the waist level or the solar plexus until you can get higher. Practice hard, and we'll see you on the next day.